The rise of DeepSeek and its controversial R1 model, Microsoft and OpenAI are now investigating DeepSeek over claims that the Chinese AI startup stole OpenAI's technology. This controversy follows the launch of DeepSeek's R1 model, a powerful AI that reportedly cost only a fraction of what OpenAI spent on GPT-4, while delivering comparable, if not superior, performance. Just as this news surfaced, Alibaba announced its new Qwen 2.5 model, claiming it outperforms both DeepSeek and OpenAI's latest models. The AI wars are heating up, and the tech industry is scrambling to make sense of this unfolding battle. Microsoft's concerns and the investigation. Microsoft, a key investor in OpenAI, raised concerns after its security researchers flagged suspicious activity linked to DeepSeek. Reports suggest that individuals associated with DeepSeek extracted vast amounts of data from OpenAI's API, the same API used by developers who integrate OpenAI's technology into their apps and services. Microsoft immediately informed OpenAI, triggering an internal investigation into whether DeepSeek had accessed or replicated proprietary AI technology. White House AI and crypto advisor David Sachs told Fox News that there is significant evidence suggesting DeepSeek may have used OpenAI's outputs to train its own models through a process known as distillation, a technique that allows one model to learn from another by mimicking its outputs. If true, this would constitute a serious intellectual property violation. DeepSeek's sudden rise to global prominence. DeepSeek's rapid success has raised eyebrows worldwide. In January, its AI assistant surged past ChatGPT to become the top free app on Apple's App Store in the US and in multiple other countries. The startup's ability to outpace major AI players so quickly has sparked skepticism, particularly given its limited funding and reported low-cost development. DeepSeek claims that it spent just $5.6 million training its foundational model V3 using 2,000 NVIDIA H800 GPUs. In contrast, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman has hinted that training GPT-4 cost over $1 billion and required at least 25,000 NVIDIA H100 GPUs. The question remains, how did DeepSeek achieve comparable results with such fewer resources? Skepticism and accusations of deception. Not everyone believes DeepSeek's claims. Palmer Luckey, the founder of Oculus VR, dismissed the startup's cost estimates as bogus, calling them Chinese propaganda aimed at disrupting US tech markets. Similarly, AI entrepreneur Alexander Wang speculated that DeepSeek may have secretly used 50,000 NVIDIA H100 GPUs, far more than publicly disclosed. Elon Musk has also expressed doubts about DeepSeek's achievements, fueling speculation that the company had access to undisclosed hardware or alternative data sources. With little concrete evidence to confirm these theories, the debate continues. Benchmark comparisons. How does DeepSeek R1 stack up? Independent tests have compared DeepSeek's R1 model with OpenAI's ChatGPT and other leading AI models. Results indicate that R1 performs competitively, excelling in some areas while lagging in others. Strengths: R1 outperforms ChatGPT in solving mathematical problems, creative writing, and factual recall. In one test, R1 correctly identified the 1 billionth prime number, 22,081,763,489, whereas ChatGPT only provided an estimate. Weaknesses: R1 struggles with complex logic puzzles, following intricate instructions, and hidden code challenges, areas where OpenAI's models still lead. These results suggest that while DeepSeek's AI is formidable, it is not flawless. Huawei's role and the US-China AI battle. A key revelation is that DeepSeek's AI inference runs on Huawei's Ascend 910C AI chips, even though the training phase used NVIDIA GPUs. This finding has major geopolitical implications, as the US has restricted China's access to advanced AI chips to slow its technological progress. Despite these restrictions, Chinese AI companies continue to develop competitive models, challenging the effectiveness of US trade policies. If DeepSeek and other Chinese firms can achieve high performance using alternative hardware and more efficient algorithms, the US may need to rethink its approach to AI regulation. Alibaba enters the race with Qwen 2.5. Just as DeepSeek was making headlines, Alibaba unveiled its Qwen 2.5 model. Alibaba also introduced Qwen 2.5 VL, a model specializing in text, image, and video analysis. Following the announcement, Alibaba's stock rose nearly 3%, in stark contrast to NVIDIA's $600 billion market cap drop, the largest single-day loss in US history, triggered by concerns that Chinese AI advancements might undermine NVIDIA's dominance. Alibaba revealed that its Qwen 2.5 Max model is trained on 20 trillion tokens using supervised fine-tuning and reinforcement learning, similar to OpenAI's methods. The company's rapid AI expansion signals that China's top tech firms are investing heavily in AI research. ByteDance joins the AI arms race. Not to be left behind, ByteDance, the parent company of TikTok, also introduced an updated AI model just days after DeepSeek's R1 launch. ByteDance claims its new model outperforms existing US AI systems, further intensifying the competition. With DeepSeek, Alibaba, and ByteDance all pushing forward, China is positioning itself as a formidable AI powerhouse. Unlike US companies that rely on billions in funding, Chinese startups are proving they can develop cutting-edge AI models at a fraction of the cost. Geopolitical and economic ramifications. DeepSeek's rise has broader implications for global AI dominance. The US government has tried to restrict China's access to AI chips, but these efforts may be insufficient if Chinese companies can create competitive AI models without top-tier hardware. Additionally, concerns over intellectual property theft could lead to heightened trade restrictions or legal action against DeepSeek. If Microsoft and OpenAI provide concrete evidence of tech theft, it could escalate tensions between the US and China in the AI sector. What's next? The uncertain future of AI wars. As the AI arms race intensifies, several key questions remain unanswered. Did DeepSeek actually steal OpenAI's technology, or did it develop its models through independent innovation? Can US companies maintain their AI dominance, or will Chinese firms continue to close the gap? Will US trade restrictions on AI chips effectively limit China's progress, or will alternative hardware solutions keep emerging? For now, one thing is certain: the AI battle is far from over. The real competition isn't just about who builds the best AI, it's about who can do it efficiently, affordably, and ethically. The coming months will determine whether OpenAI, Microsoft, and their Western allies can retain their leadership, or whether a new global AI order is emerging.